How to add song in Instagram post? Let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram. So just go to the post that you want to add the Instagram song to. So I'm just going to tap on this. And then once you do that, go to the bottom of the post and you'll see this little arrow sign. That's a share sign. So just tap on that. And then you'll see at the top it says add post to your story. So just click on it. So at the top right corner, you'll see this little sticker icon next to the letter icon. So tap on it and then just click on music right here at the middle of your screen. So this allows you to select the music that you want to add to your Instagram post. So you can just browse through here or search for a specific music that you want to add to your Instagram post. I'm just going to click on this. So here you can select the part of the music that you want to add to your Instagram post. Here you can select the duration and the longest is 15 seconds. You can shorten it to whatever you want. And then once you're done with that, just press done right here. And then once you're done selecting the part of the music that you want to add, press done at the top right corner. And then you can just put this where you want. You can zoom this in if you want. You can just design it however you like. Once you're through, just tap the three dots at the top right corner and then press save right here. So this will allow it to be saved directly to your gallery. So as you can see, the video has been saved, so you can just go back and discard this. And then just press this plus sign at the bottom middle of your screen to add the post that you have just created. So just tap on this right here and then you can just share as you normally would. So that's how you add song in your Instagram posting. And if you want to learn how to pin post on Instagram, just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.